Today's topic is how to display date and time in ASP.NET. Drag and drop one script manager. Select this script manager and click on source and drag and drop one update panel, and within this update panel add a tag that is content template. Within this content template add timer and click on design and select this timer and type F4 and change its interval into 1000, 110, 100,000 so that this timer will tick every 1 second. Now let's drag and drop some level in this update panel. So let's drag and drop some level and select this level and type F4 and change its text into date time. In the same way, let's copy it and paste some level here and change its text into date. In the same way, let's paste another and change its text into time. And let's drag another level and select this level and type F4 and change its ID into LB underscore date underscore time and remove this text on this level. In the same way, let's drag another level and type F4 and change its ID into LB underscore date and remove the text on this level. In the same way, drag and drop one level and type F4 and change its ID into LB underscore time and remove the level or text in this level. We are using this update panel so that whenever this timer ticks, update will be taken only in this update panel portion. It will not affect on the remaining portion, so that it will not so that when timer tick, only this page will refresh, only this portion will be refreshed, remaining portion will not be refreshed. Now double click onto this timer. I will paste the code for displaying date and time in the label. LB underscore date time is the ID of this text of this label. If your country uses day, month, year, then uncomment this line. If your country uses month, day, year, then uncomment this particular line and comment all the remaining line. This is for displaying date and time, and this is for displaying date, and this is for displaying time in the label. Since most of the country uses date, month and year, so I will uncomment the first one for displaying date time. In the same way, displaying date in the same way for time. Let's run the project and see whether it works or not. So it works.